Okay guys, let's move to Picsart. So once you're in Picsart, go to the icon for create. And go to all photos to select the background that will be used. Let's go to all photos. So once you're in all, go select the background you would like to use. You can select any background, it doesn't matter whether it's mine or yours. Just scroll down. Let's select the background. Okay, select the photo. Once you have selected the photo, go to the icon for tools and use the curve. Okay, you move it down. Okay. So the next thing you need is to import your portal PNG. Let's go to add photo and import our portal. So this is it. Click on it. Go to add. Then increase the size. Go to blend. So it will be screen. So the next thing to do is to go to adjust. Let's adjust this. Go to shadow, increase the shadow to it. Then go to clarity, increase the clarity. Go to brightness and increase the brightness a little bit. Then go to contrast, increase the contrast. So go to OK. So the next thing you need to do is to import the image for the portal. Let's go to add photo. Let's move down. Move down, then select the image. Go to add. Increase the size. Then go to erase. Move to invert, then click on the icon restore. Okay. Okay guys, let's go to OK. So the next thing you need to do is to move this image down. Let's go to this icon and move it down. So the next thing is to increase the saturation and the brightness of the image. Let's go to adjust, go to brightness, increase it a little bit. Then saturation, let's increase the saturation. Shadow and the clarity. Okay, go to OK. So as you can see, we are almost done. The next thing you need to do is to import the image. Go to import, add photo, select the photo, increase size of the photo. So as you can see, we are done. The next thing you need to do is to click on OK. Then move to the icon for tools, select curves, and decrease the size. These. Go to erase. Okay guys, we are done. Go to OK. Okay guys, we are done. So you can see this is the photo manipulation of a portal effect. This is the after and this is the before, after, before, after. So thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more video. Thanks.